in the money. Notably, the influence of the weak shilling against the dollar continues to paralyze the country with debt, as our reporter Natasha Wairimu tells us.
The benchmark indices sustained their bullish run, with the Nairobi Securities Exchange 20-share index recouping 3.7% week over week from last week's 1.6% slide on the upturn of some key blue chips, largely British American Tobacco, Stanbic, Standard Chartered and KCB Group. The Nairobi Securities Exchange all-share index 10 and 25-share indices gained 1.7%, 2.3% and 2.4% respectively. Safaricom was the top traded stock, accounting for 58% of the week's activity. The telco shed 0.4% week over week on profit taken. Investors were bullish on key banking stocks, with the top movers KCB, Equity and Cooperative Bank gaining 20.6%, 1.9% and 8.9% from last week's levels. Bamburi Cement was the leading gainer, while Nairobi Business Ventures was the leading loser of the week. Foreign investors maintained their net selling position, recording net outflows of $490,000. Safaricom led the selling charge, while Equity Group led the buying charge. The Kenya shilling has experienced a depreciation against the US dollar, and Kenya's debt is denominated in both local currency and foreign currency, meaning that a portion of Kenya's debt is in dollars, and any changes in the exchange rate between the shilling and the dollar can impact the country's debt burden.
Kenyan debt increases by around 38 billion for every unit of depreciation of the shilling. And because the shilling has been depreciating by an average of around 0.4% weekly, this means that the debt, Kenya's debt in dollars increases by around 3 billion every day. So the more the shilling depreciates, the more our debt that is in dollars increases. According to Bloomberg, the shilling is now less overvalued. That is around 7% compared to like 20% in the last 1 or 2 years. So the less the currency is said or is overvalued, the lesser it becomes to sensitive to market news and depreciation against other currencies, especially the dollar.
Natasha Wairimu, TV47, Nairobi.